Understanding "be in a cold sweat," an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. Be in a cold sweat. Stick around as we break down what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you get a grip on this expression. Let's get started. When someone says they're in a cold sweat, they're describing a situation where they're feeling extremely anxious, nervous, or afraid, to the point where they're actually sweating, even though they're not hot or exerting themselves physically. It's a physiological response to intense emotions, not just the temperature or physical activity. This phrase vividly captures both the physical and emotional state of the person experiencing it. The phrase, "be in a cold sweat," has been around for centuries, and it's believed to originate from the physical symptoms that accompany fear or anxiety, such as sweating, even in a cold environment. This expression has stood the test of time, illustrating the universal nature of human emotions and physical reactions. Using "be in a cold sweat" correctly involves describing situations of intense stress or fear. It's often used to describe personal experiences of fear or anxiety. I was in a cold sweat before my presentation. Depict characters in literature or movies who are facing terrifying situations. Express empathy towards someone else's frightening experience. He must have been in a cold sweat when he got lost. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase works in sentences. The thought of speaking in front of the whole school had me in a cold sweat. She woke up in a cold sweat from a nightmare. Just recalling the accident puts me in a cold sweat. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe a wide range of situations where fear or anxiety is a key element. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "be in a cold sweat." We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations or writing. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every new phrase you master adds color to your communication. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!